Hey guys, so I'm looking at the non-farms payroll. Let's see what's going on out here. Let's see if we got some news that done hit on the non-farms payroll. Let's see what the numbers look like. Oh, bear with me 1 minute. All right, so breaking U.S. non-farm payroll rises by 200K in November versus 500K media forecast. So that means that the dollar is probably going to be weak. We see this red. This is a reversal. All right. Let me move this trend line. If we're going to go by the wicks, we're right. We might see some drop. Let's jump over into the Bitcoin. Let's see what BTC is doing. This may be good for Bitcoin, so we can finish out the year. All right. So we see that we got some reversal candles that's trying to form as well over here. This is the weekly, but let's go down to the hourly. All right. So you see already Bitcoin is rallying against the dollar. We got a nice little fat candle coming. Let's go around and look at different currency pairs around the world. We got US dollar, Japanese yen. All right, so over here we see the dollar's a little strong, but this is look like it's just a retest. This wick, keep an eye on this. But going off the yen may not be a good thing because they're both powerful safe havens. But the way this pattern look, it looked like we could get up here and create a inverted bar exception, or really this is a triple bottom. To be honest, let's look at the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar, see if we see anything going on here. All right, so the dollar is weak, so this would have been a great play. So coming up this week, I'm going to look at taking the CAD, taking it down to these lower regions. So you see this red, this means the CAD is strong. Go up here to your top over here, the US CAD. So CAD is strong because what? The dollar is weak. Okay, let's go look at some British pound, USD. And we don't want to do no trading on Fridays. We want to let everything play out. Really want to start looking at something on Monday. Sometimes you can get away with it on Sunday, but this is strictly going off of just trading in the forex market. But forex and crypto also go hand in hand. Okay, so what? Look, remember the you got the base pair and you got the quote pair. All right, so I'll show you what that is. All right, so you got right here to your left would be your base currency, to your right would be your quote. Okay, so when we're looking at this chart right here, the base is the British pound and the quote is the US dollar. So this strong spike up right here suggests that what the British pound is stronger and the US dollar is weaker. We want to let the market play out, let everyone else get slaughtered during this particular time, and we just basically let the market settle, and then we will then look for favorable entries to take advantage of that. So crypto should um, do fairly well to go into January. Um, it's a lot of jobs that aren't being filled right now. There's a lot of things going on, and then you got the new variant that's out. So we don't know how that's going to impact, saying the U.S. economy. So that's what it's crazy. When the economy is not doing well, that's when you want your crypto to do well. So it's almost like you would prefer the economy not to do well, so you can take advantage of that. All right. So what are some other U.S. pairs? We can do Euro USD. So we can expect the Euro. All right. You see, Euro is a what? The base in the USD is the quote. We got the strong, nice candle. So we can start seeing some upside movement, whatnot. Now, can there be some liquidity grabs? Absolutely. What that means is that if there's too many people going long, there could be some shakeouts to clear the boards. So we like to look at daily FX, and then what that does is it gives us sentiment. Okay, sentiment is a strategy that we do use. Now, here's the issue with this. So you got the Euro USD. All right, it's 65% net long, 35% short. This is not going to last. Okay, I'm gonna draw this way right here. So you got 65%, 35. Now, if 65% are correct, who's going to pay them out? Look at this. 76, 24%. So what I'm thinking is what's going to happen is we're gonna take a some type of dip to get these players off the board. Look at this. And this is not so these are not USD, but you get what I'm saying. This okay, look at this right here. You just saw that. So look, this was 59 cent. I mean 59%. So watch this. Let me take this off the screen. My bad. Clear it back. All right. What was that? That was the USD JPY. Remember when we went over there and we looked at it? Okay. And what do you notice? You notice this huge spike, which means something bullish came into the market. So we can go on a lower time frame. And so you see how this wick, that's bullish pressure. But look over here. What do you notice on USD? JPY? 59% was short. But if 59% was short, what's happening in right now? They're getting slaughtered. Remember, they all went short, but then all of a sudden the market is going against them. So let's see how many pips this is. This is not bad, but it's 23 pips. So somebody out there on a standard lot size, they're down $230. If somebody is bigger than that, they're down a considerable amount. So what is this? This showing you that this on the chart, they're being cleared out. Okay. So once they're clear, then it will resume. So all these 65, 76s, 71s, let's go to NZ let's look at odd Australian dollar USD. Oh, look at that. Okay, what happened? Let's go see what's going on. Okay, look at that. What did it say? 70%, 76% were long. Who's getting slaughtered? The bulls. Look at that. They're all getting wiped out. Guys, I told you, we're going to take care of your dark horse corners. We're going to make sure y'all learn all this stuff. So get prepared throughout the year, especially in 2022. We're coming to an end here. You would be a true contrarian. You would know it from a business standpoint. You would understand Forex market. You would understand the stock market and more importantly, crypto. But you would be able to be a contrarian that you could easily move in between those markets. But the number one thing is that you're going to learn how to be a contrarian. And that's what I specialize in. It doesn't matter about the market, so to speak. It's really me getting you ready to know how to think, how to act or react, and how to look for things that others don't. So, yeah, that's it for today. See y'all on the next one. Enjoy your Friday.